Hey everybody, so I got another Guess What's in the Box video. Well, this one's in a bag, but please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. And it's from Amazon. Thank you for watching. Alright, hey everybody. Alright, so this is another Guess What's in the Box video, aka bag. This item is item is 9 inches and 3/4 of an inch long. It is 7 inches and half an inch wide, and it is 1 inch and 3/4 of an inch tall. The bag is quite large. It's a lot larger than the item. This is an OTC tool. That I know for a fact. What do you guys think is in it? I bought it from Amazon. It says Zorro on it. Looks like it came from another company and Amazon shipped it. What are your guys' guesses? I appreciate you guys playing along and having fun with me on these, guess what's in the box or bag videos. It's just for entertainment and having fun. Don't bother me what your guess is. You can guess. It's an impact driver. It's not big enough to be an impact driver, but I've gotten all kinds of wild guesses. I even had somebody, Sparky, he's a great guy, say that in one of the boxes I had done a video on, he's like, yeah, it's puppies, that's why there's holes everywhere. Entertaining, fun, jokative. That was actually a pretty funny guess, because he even explained why he said there was holes everywhere and why he thought it was puppies. It's all to have fun and enjoy each other's company and just have a little entertainment and make a laugh for the day. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!